Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking you to one of the best national parks in the USA, Yosemite National Park. We started our journey from the San Francisco Bay Area. We booked our trip on Viator ahead of time, and our tour guide Kurt was awesome and very knowledgeable about the places he took us to. Along the way, we saw snow, burnt trees, and even passed through a few tunnels. So come on, let's enjoy this trip together.
That's not what they call the valley.
So on our way, we passed by the Elephant Rock. This majestic dome resembles an elephant marching off into the sunset. Elephant Rock is one of the more easily accessible and popular climbing formations.
Travels west, and that just helps traffic move, helps the tourists. Check out the Merced River. It is absolutely flowing. Oh my God. They do have river rafting, like further up the river in the valley. People kayak, people swim.
Then we stopped by at the Valley View to see the beauty of the Bridalveil Falls. And here we are at the Bridalveil Falls. Then we had to stop for lunch break. After eating our lunch, we had to walk to the Yosemite Falls itself. On the way back, we had to stop and see the El Capitan rock formation. This is actually the largest granite monolith in the world. The last stop is the hike into Tuolumne Grove Trailhead. This is a popular trail both with snowshoers and hikers, and is an strenuous uphill return ski. It is about 2.5 miles round trip. So that's our day trip to the Yosemite Falls. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog.